Here is the Michelin Guide app, so you can just tap Get to install it, and then double click to install it. And this is like if you like to dine out in restaurants, especially in really high end and one of the world's best restaurants, you can just download this app. And especially if you're traveling, this is like the app where you can easily discover the world's best restaurants and hotels with Michelin guides, access to profiles of every restaurant, book unique hotels you'll never forget, save and share your favorite restaurants. And then you can just go here and then just register an account. Start with your email, then confirm your email, create your password, and then basically the idea is that when you're traveling in some city, you will see the list of all Michelin star restaurants in that area, and then just quickly navigate through them and then just see them. So pretty cool. So that's what you can do, and that's what it is.